This quick guide shows you how to share your iPad screen while using Google Meet. Google Meet is all-in-one virtual meeting app for schools and business using G Suite. People use Google Meet to teach classes virtually, hold online meetings, conference with clients, and make remote videos call. You can present your entire screen in a meeting. While you present, you can share information such as documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and more. First of all, to start sharing your screen on iPad, you will need to start Google Meet app. So open the app. You need to create or join a video call. Let's tap on New Meeting. Now, let's select Start an Instant Meeting. At this meeting, we can invite others to join. After somebody joins, just tap on the three dots menu from the bottom. Tap Share Screen. In this dialog window, just tap in Start Broadcast. A timer will start and a broadcast of the screen will start. Let's check how it looks on a PC. I see now the sharing of the screen from the iPad. And the system works quite nice. If you wish to stop the share, just go back to the app. There, tap on Stop Sharing. You have shared your screen on iPad in Google Meet. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.